What's up, everybody? Kings Elite Breaks here. My name's Jason. We're doing a quick one-box break. 2017-18 Upper Deck Black Diamond Hockey. Like I said, one-box break, 2 random teams, number 3. So 15 total spots, 2 random teams per spot. We do have one combos team, which is the Ducks Rangers. Here's a list of names from Colin all the way down to Chris gets last spot mojo. And then we have the Yotes all the way down to the Jets. And the combo team is right here, Ducks Rangers right there. So that should make 15. Dice roller, let's roll it. 4 and a 1, 5 times on the list of names and the teams in this break. Good luck. 4, 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5th and final time. After 5 times, Bones at numero uno. James, you're at the bottom. Get the list right there. Now let's go 5 times on the list of teams. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. After 5 times, Sharks at numero uno. Dallas Stars are at the bottom. That was 5 times. So Bones, you got the Sharks and Kings. Chris with the Blackhawks. Bones with the Yotes. James, you got the Jets. Raylaw with the Bruins. With the Sabres, sorry. Flyers for Bones. Chris last ball mojo with the Penguins. Colin with the Leafs. Chris last ball mojo with the Islanders. Colin with the Preds. Kyle with the Panthers Sens. Dylan get the Red Wings. Raylaw with the Blue Jackets. Ben with the Canucks and Bruins. Wow, what a randomizer for you. Bones with the Oilers Lightning. Chris with the Flames. Dylan, you got the Ducks Rangers combo. Francis, Raylaw, you have the Wild as well as the Golden Knights. Bones, you got the Devils. Nat with the Colorado Avalanche as well as the Capitals. Bones with the Hurricanes, Blues, Canadians. And James, you got the Dallas Stars, accompanied by the Winnipeg Jets. So let's just quickly alphabetize this. A little border. And I'll give you guys the quick minute or so if you guys want to make any trades. If not, we will close the trade window and then get this break rolling. It's a quick one-box break, so it should be nice and quick. And while I'm giving you guys time to trade, let me post another Black Diamond break in the store. Alright guys, trade window closed then. Alright, so the next Black Diamond break's already in the store. Let me just move them up, but trade window closed. And let's print this out. Alright, so the teams that you have should be scrolling there right at the bottom. Just in case. Here's the list again. Last spot mojo, the Islanders and Penguins for Chris. Good luck to everybody else in this break. Here are the 3 boxes, 1, 4, and 5. Let's quickly generate one of these boxes using the true random number generator in random.org. There were 5 total. 1, 4, and 5 are available, so good luck. 4, there it is, right at the first try. Look at that. Box 4 is generated. Box right in the middle. There we go, box 4. Next break's already on the website. We got 2 more breaks. So you have the exquisite bonus pack. And you got that. Then I will use this to cover up the hits. Put that right there. Alright guys, good luck everybody. Hopefully we pull some nice hits here. First one. We have, well, Bones was a little right about McDavid, but just a little base though. Nice one though. 61 of 249 for the Oilers. Little Connor McDavid. Oilers, it's going to Bones. I think we have another base down here. Nice, look at that. True rookie gems. 181 of 399. Charlie McAvoy. That is nice. I like the true rookie gems look. Bruins going to Ben. Next one, we have a Nico Hischier. That's nice. Rookie team logo jumbos for the Devils. That is going to Bones. That is sweet right there. Little piece of the New Jersey Devils logo. Next one is a patch autograph of Ivan Barbashev. Rookie team logo jumbos. That is 39 of 99 for the St. Louis Blues. That is going to Bones. He grabbed a handful of spots. He was in it to win it. There you go. There you go. Nice one right there. And the last one is a nice 3 of 25. Nice 3-color patch, John Tavares. Kind of like sticking out a little bit. That's a nice card. Islanders, last spot mojo going to Chris. Alright, that's a solid box. But we still have the exquisite bonus pack. Good luck, guys. And it is a Alexander Nylander, 35 of 70. That's sweet. It's the jersey number. Exquisite rookie. Nice. This must be a nice card right here. Buffalo Sabres. It's going to Raylaw. There you go, Raylaw. I actually really like these exquisite rookie cards like this. They're beautiful. Nice looking card. And there you go, guys. That was the break. Pretty solid hits that popped out of this 1-box break. We still have 2 more boxes left in the case. No rookie autograph of Besser or McAvoy. Bigger rookie like that. Check it out. Kings Elite Breaks. See you guys next time.